In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Noon app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Noon. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Noon online shopping and grocery and tap on it. Now in this interface, find the option for update. If you see the option for update over here, your application needs to be updated. If you update your app, you'll be able to access smoother performance and new features. Along with that, the bugs will be fixed. So what you have to do is simply tap on the update option and wait for a while. After your application is updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the open option over here. That means your application has been updated and now you'll be able to use the latest version of the app. So that is how you update Noon app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.